This is a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado RST crew cab, black over gray interior, windows, locks, and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bose audio, remote start, push button start, electronic climate control, trailer brake controls, USB for your phone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio, OnStar. There's a look at the rear seat, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, spray-in bed liner, tonneau cover, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.